baby.
Begin. What do you want to say to Henry?
Yeah.
R-E-S-T. R-E-S-T. Rest. Y-O-U-R. Rest your what? V-O-V-O-I-C-E. Rest your voice. That's a nice way to say it. All right. Henry, Alex said rest your voice. What do you have to say about that? I'm going to pull you out a little bit. Alex said to you, rest your voice. I. W. Move your elbow. W. I. Good. I. W. I. L. W. I. L. L. I will. I will. T. Why? Sometimes if I put my hand on it, it helps them for some reason. I will try. Okay. Alex, he said he will try. What do you have to say to him? Here. T. Wait. T. Let me write it. T. H. Wait, what do you want? T. H. A. N. K. S. Thanks.